If you're still not making money with TikTok, then you are missing out on a lot. In this time and era where everybody is selling and buying on TikTok and you are still not making money, you need to watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to give you 7 ways in which you can get started in making money on TikTok with just 1,000 followers. Let's get started. What exactly do you actually need in order to do this thing? You need 3 things. The thing is, you need to have at least 1,000 followers, because you cannot be able to actually do anything if you do not have 1,000 followers. So make sure you have at least 1,000 followers in order to be able to make money. The second one is, you need to actually post consistently every single day. TikTok is a platform where actually people eat, breathe content, and you need to be willing to post at least on the minimum 1 video a day. Put a schedule in which you can be able to create 1 video a day and post on your platform. The third thing is, you need to niche down. Niche, whatever you want to call it, but you need to have a specific topic in which you can be able to talk about. Is it stay-at-home mom? Is it work from home? Is it recipes? You need to have a specific topic in which you can actually be known for and be good at it and be willing to create content around it. When you have actually worked on these 3 things, we can now move on to exactly how you can get started in making this money. My name is Miss Julie KE. I create content on learning new skills, business ideas, and making money on this space. If this is something for you, please hit that notification bell and like this video, and let's move on. So the first way is through affiliate marketing. Yes, you can be able to start making money with affiliate marketing by placing affiliate links on your bio. So like I said, you need to have a specific niche in which you can be able to talk and revolve around. And from here, you can actually go and look for companies that offer affiliate programs in your niche. For me, I talk about remote work, business ideas, and learning new skills. I've been able to look for companies that can offer affiliate links in my niche, and it's very easy to get started. Just go to Google and type affiliate programs in your niche. So if it's on beauty, you can say affiliate programs in beauty industry, affiliate programs in finance industry. Then you actually apply to these affiliate programs if they are in your country. One thing about affiliate marketing is, not every company offers affiliate links for every country. So you need to actually look at companies that offer affiliate programs in your country, apply for them, and when you get the link, you can start placing it on your bio. So you use things like Linktree, which you can be able to place as many links as you want, and then place it on your bio and talk about whatever you talk about, and then you can always direct people to go to your affiliate link and buy the product or the services, and in return you get paid a commission if they buy using your link. The second way is through selling digital products. If you have not yet embraced digital products, then you're missing out on a lot. People are making money through selling their ebooks, selling templates, selling guides, and you are still not trying and putting yourself out there. These things are very easy to get started. All you need to have is Canva and a website or a store in which you can place your digital product. Canva is where you actually create your ebooks, your templates, your guides, whatever it is, you can actually create on Canva. Canva is a very diverse platform that actually helps you get started with the basic, because there are so many done for you templates that you can be able to learn just to twist a bit of it and create your own type of ebook, guide, or template. And if you want to get started with Canva and you have no idea, you can get the link to Canva on the descriptions or on my bio. After you have created your digital product, you can place it on your store. Places like Shopify, on Amazon KDP. If you are literally a beginner and you don't have a lot of money to spend, I would recommend you to get started with Amazon KDP. You can place your ebooks, you can place your digital products that you need to be printed to your customers, and you are good to go. So if you want more details about starting your digital product and understanding how to create a digital product and sell it on Amazon KDP, you can book a call with me and I will guide you and walk you through on how to get started with your digital product and start making money with it, because I have been able to create digital products like this that I have placed in my Amazon KDP and in my Amazon account, and I have started selling them. The third way in which you can be able to start making money with TikTok is offering your services. If you're an editor, a graphic designer, a coach, a personal fitness coach, whatever it is you do, you can actually offer your services. I tell people, if you're good in cooking, start cooking and tell people that I offer these services. If you are good in creating graphic design on places like Canva, create them and tell people that I can be able to create a graphic design like this for you. And with time, as people see you, as you become consistent, as people constantly see you each and every time, they will actually reach out to you and book your services. All you need to do is consistently showing up and consistently doing what you need to do in your niche for people to actually see you are good in it. The fourth way is create and sell your product. So if you can be able to print t-shirts with your logo, with your phrases, with their captions, whatever you actually say when you're beginning your videos, or you're actually saying during your videos, you can create a t-shirt, a hoodie, a mug, and sell these things to your fans, to your followers who actually love what you do. So it's very easy to get started. If you don't want to go through the long way of having to create these things and actually send to them directly, you can be able to get started with only 3 steps. The first one is through Canva. Like I said, create your merch, create your graphic or anything that you want to create, and then move on to step 2, which is placing whatever you have created on a t-shirt, on a hoodie, on a mug, which you can actually do this on places like Printify or Printful. These are the places where they offer you t-shirts or mugs in which they can actually print out for you and take it to your clients directly. You don't have to go through all the hard process of you actually reaching out and doing everything. All you need to do is create your graphic design, place it on their t-shirts or their hoodies or their mugs, and sell it on your store. On places like Shopify, again, that is a good place where you can place your t-shirts, and when someone actually is in need of whatever it is, if it's a mug, you can always direct them to your store where they can be able to make their order, and then Printify or Printful will print the t-shirt, the mug, the hoodie for them and deliver to them on their doorstep. You don't have to go all through a lot of things. All you need to do is create your logo, your design, your memes, whatever it is you always do, and then place it on a t-shirt like this, and then sell to your followers and start making money with whatever it is you do. The fifth one is through brand partnership. Brands know that TikTok is a place that so many people spend their time in, and like I said, when you niche down, you actually have a target audience. So the brand will see that you have a niched target audience that they are interested in. So if it's work from home moms, they know that your target audience are moms. So if it's a brand that is related to products that will help women or moms or children, then they will reach out to you because you niche down and you have a very targeted audience that they can be able to speak to. And through this, you can be able to make money by advertising their product or their services and getting paid for it. The sixth one, which I love, and this is something I use most of the time, is driving traffic from your TikTok to your other paid channel. So if you have a YouTube, if you have a blog, then TikTok is the place you don't want to sleep on. I'm saying this because this is actually what happened to me last week. My video went viral on TikTok and it brought so many people from TikTok to my YouTube page. So I know it actually works. All you need to do is create your long form video and then repurpose your video, because one thing about YouTube, as we all know, it's very hard to come up with these short clips. You have to go to CapCut and do everything, and it takes a lot of time. But you can save yourself all the drama, the headache, and save yourself the time by using only this one tool called VIDYO AI. This is a tool that will actually save you time. It will save you the energy and the drama of having to come up with the right hooks, the right captions, and how to actually edit your video to a short form. It will do it for you in literally seconds, so you don't have to go through all the stress. All you need to do is take your link, place it on VIDYO AI, and then allow it to generate for you up to 10 or even more short videos that you can repurpose on your TikTok. And from there you can drive traffic to your TikTok, to your blog, to your podcast, and get people watching, and that means more money. So get started with VIDYO AI. You can get a link of them down here below. It saved me a lot of time. Literally these days I just need to take my link, place it on there, and then get my short videos working for me. So these are the some of the ways in which you can start making money with your TikTok. You don't have to think of so many ways. You don't have to be lied on or TikTok will pay you, especially if you are in Africa. TikTok does not pay people in Africa unless you're in another country. But if you're in Africa, you need to sit and rely on these things that I have actually told you and work on them. You will literally find your sweet spot and find something that will actually add more income to you. You need to sit down and figure out which one it is, because these are the ways in which you want to make money. You don't want to be scrolling on TikTok while other people are making money. You want to get that money. You want to make those dollars. So don't waste your time scrolling and start monetizing your TikTok. I hope you have found value in this video. I hope you are going to monetize your TikTok from today. From this time, you are going to monetize your TikTok and make the money. You don't want to miss on this money. You don't want to waste your time on TikTok doing nothing. You want to cash in every month the money you make from TikTok. And I hope you will like this video. You will subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you will hit that notification bell. From me to you again, it's bye bye. See you on my next video.